Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Narendra Chintamu, the CEO, founder of Maha AI and the scientist. So this is our field where we have 1374 ancient plants. Every single plant has the huge medicinal and also the human well-being content here. That's what we are testing here. And this is our Sri Chakra, which is the Tesla energy that we are constructing here. Today we have added a few more ancient plants, so the total it is going to be 1671. And these guys are probably 1 month old for now, and not even single plant that we are testing here was damaged or kind of, they are kind of gelling well with the sand and the the environment here, and they are influencing a lot of this guy, especially Kadamba. According to the ancient Veda, it says that this guy can influence the birds and create the positive energy. We're also checking the aura testing on this guy. We already tested a few days back. I'm gonna upload that video alongside with the video that I'm taking right now. And all this Parijata, and this one is the ancient plant too. So all these guys are 1 month old guys, and they already started popping up a lot of flowers. And this guy is also an ancient guy. We got him from the southern parts of Indian forest, and Rudraksha, which creates the positive energy in the human. So that's what we are sending these plants to America very soon for a detailed round of testing. And see this guy, just 1 month old guy, and started showing up the flowers too. And there are so many other flowers. Let me zoom it. There are so many other flowers, and this is the lab number 1, the initial lab. And we do have another lab there. It's going to be another Sri Chakra, the Tesla energy. This guy already started. Wow, so many new flowers. And this guy is a neem guy. We just installed him in about 15 days probably from now. This guy already started creating the fruits. We are doing this in the ancient way, not in the modern way. Zero pesticides and the ancient spices that we are using. They started, see, look at this healthy guy. He's also an ancient guy. So we are kind of testing the soil maturization and also the plant behavior with the environment. And everyone is now here installed in a triangle based, so that the robots can take care of them. We are soon starting our robotics manufacturing in the area of Siddipet and also Rukmapur. The local governments are helping initiate the process, and soon we are going to create the plastic alternate guys, these guys. And guys are going to create a 4 million products in the way of the way that current generation is using. We identified the wood that can exactly take care of the plastic alternate. So all these guys are going very well, in my opinion. We still have to send this to University of Florida, and we need to test their contents and ingredients. So probably in another 15 days these guys are going to be going to grow beautifully. Then we are going to send this to a 350 acres of land that we are currently planning. So since this testing was successful, we are now initiating the pre-pilot program, and probably this guy is also Kadamba. Probably another 15 days the lab officially will start doing the testing in the ancient way. So these guys are Mahabilvas, this Kadamba. This guy is Mahabilva, which is the most rarest plant. We got him from a forest, deep inside forest. And this guy is also going to serve the human in the future. So, and all these guys are going to get from this Sri Chakra. Construction is going on for about 186 feet, create a natural way of energy. And this guy is going to be take care of the human, especially autism, for the autism reversal. And this guy Parijata, probably no. So everyone so far what we've seen are going very healthy. I think we are all set for the lab 2, which is 326 acres. Look at the birds, they're enjoying the nature. Wow, sorry guys, they'll come back again. So these guys are going to take the water from the Sri Chakra, and that water we are converting into the 15% and the alkaline water. So this is going to be helpful for the cancer patients, and these guys are going to also producing the natural way, the ancient way of kind of medicine by connecting the modern medication. Both modern and ancient medication is going to be serving the human, and the way the diseases are increasing day by day, it's time for us to take a U-turn and look at what our ancient people did. And 30-40 years back too, if you see the way we have the current generation is the most most of the people are getting easily diabetes, and the new generation is coming with autism and a lot of cancers from last 30-40 years. Probably we have to do a little more research. The research is going to conclude probably by October 2025. Many research labs in the international level are supporting us. Thank you for all the universities that are coming forward, and the governments, and also the agencies. So I appreciate that we are all working together to save the human and future generations by bringing the ancient wisdom. Mahanarendra Chakravarti, the CEO and the founder of a group of companies and the international research labs, and the scientist. So thank you all for supporting. I'll keep you posted with the updates. Thank you all.